How to lock iPhone or iPad for tracing. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can lock iPhone or iPad for tracing. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings on your iPhone and from there simply scroll down and tap on accessibility. Now find guided access and turn it on. And once you're done with that, you can simply tap on passcode settings and set a passcode. And once you're done setting your passcode, you need to go back and again tap on accessibility shortcut and make sure it's turned on for quick access. And now by changing all those settings, simply close the settings app and after that open the photos app on your iPhone. Once you have opened it, simply select the photo that you want to trace. Now once you have opened it, simply triple click on the side button or home button on older device, and when guided access pops up, tap option at the bottom left. Now from the pop-up menu, simply turn off all settings including touch and then tap on done. Now tap start and after that the screen will be locked. And now you can place a sheet of a paper over your screen and trace the image without any accidental touches interfering. And you can triple click on the side button again and enter your passcode and tap end at the top left and you are done. And it's that simple. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.